Hey there, here's how to add the volume control slider so you can change the volume of your music app even when the screen is locked, a useful alternative to using the side buttons. So to do this, we go into the phone, we go to settings. From the main settings window, we scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again. This time, look for the hearing section and we go to audio and visual. Now we have some options, and if you look here, we have always show volume control. So click here. That is now enabled. Let's close this window, close the screen, and just here you can see the volume control has been added, giving you an alternative way to control the volume on your iPhone when listening to music. So I hope that's been helpful. Please leave the video a thumbs up to let me know. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.